Welcome to Calmify, your space for peace, purpose, and powerful mornings. Take a deep breath in and let it go slowly. This morning meditation for energy, positivity, and focus will help you awaken your mind, align your intentions, and start your day feeling grounded, confident, and deeply alive. So, find a comfortable place to sit. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and your heart open. Let's begin this beautiful morning journey together. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Exhale gently through your mouth. Feel the cool air entering your lungs, refreshing your entire body. With every inhale, you draw in positive energy. With every exhale, you release tension, doubt, and fatigue. Continue to breathe deeply and mindfully. Allow your breath to guide you into this moment, calm, centered, and aware. You are exactly where you need to be. Now, bring your attention to your body. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath moving through you. With every inhale, imagine light, warm, radiant golden morning light flowing into every cell of your being. It fills you with energy, vitality, and motivation. Visualize this light expanding through your head, shoulders, arms, and chest, flowing down to your legs and feet. You are glowing with positive energy. You are fully awake, fully alive, and ready to embrace this new day. Now, silently repeat these morning affirmations or say them out loud with a positive confidence. I am filled with positive energy. I welcome this new day with gratitude and peace. My mind is focused, my heart is open, my spirit is calm. I attract positivity, clarity, and confidence. I am ready to create something beautiful today. Feel the vibrations of these words ripple through your being. Each affirmation activates your inner power, strengthening your focus, resilience, and optimism. You are in perfect harmony with this morning's energy. Now, imagine yourself standing at the edge of a new day. A path ahead glowing with the soft light of morning. With each breath, you step forward, your mind clear, your body strong, your heart steady. See yourself moving through your tasks today, calm, efficient, and present. You speak with kindness, you work with focus, you move with purpose. You radiate confidence, clarity, and inner balance. This is your power, the power of mindful presence. Before we close, bring your awareness to one thing you feel grateful for this morning. It could be your health, your breath, your loved ones, or simply this quiet moment of stillness. Let gratitude fill your heart like sunlight through the clouds. Whisper gently to yourself, "Thank you for this day. Thank you for this life." Take one last deep breath in and exhale fully. Gently open your eyes. Carry this energy, positivity, and focus into your day. Remember, every morning is a new beginning. You are the calm within the day's motion. Thank you for meditating with Calmify. If this session brought peace to your morning, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe for more guided meditations to awaken your mind and nourish your soul.